Every IoT device speaks a different language. For developers, integrators, and solution builders, that usually means wasted time updating firmware or building custom gateways. With Blynk data converters, you can integrate any device, no matter the payload format, directly into the Blynk platform. Data converters live inside your device templates. Here, you can create HTTP or MQTT converters to process incoming messages and map them into data streams, widget properties, or notifications. When you create a converter, Blynk generates a unique endpoint. Devices send requests to this URL, and the script editor defines how payloads are authenticated, parsed, and interpreted. For example, you can authenticate devices, decode JSON or binary payloads, update data streams, log events, and even send custom downlink messages, all with just a few lines of JavaScript. On the device side, setup is simple. Point the firmware to the converter endpoint, add authentication, and the device is ready to send data. Processed values appear instantly in your dashboards, automations, and notifications. You can visualize data, set thresholds, and trigger alerts in real time. Blynk data converters eliminate costly firmware changes and speed up onboarding across fleets. And soon, AI-assisted converters will make writing and validating scripts even easier. Start by creating your first data converter in the Blynk console.